Good evening, friends. This is Chef Ajay Sood from New Delhi. Well, I have an important announcement to make. The Kerala State, Kerala Tourism Department is conducting a Kerala Culinary Contest 2021. Their main objective is to ensure that people embrace the Kerala cuisine in a big way and enjoy the flavors and the extravaganza of the important culinary cuisine. Well, they have conducted a contest wherein they want the people to participate, prepare Kerala cuisine dishes, make a small video of the preparation. You can have your family members joining you while you're preparing the food. Make the video and send it to the concerned authorities. The details are given on the website, which you can check from the Facebook and the other details. Well, friends, the objective of this is that you should start enjoying the Kerala cuisine, and at the same time there's lots to be won. The top 10 entries will be selected, or they will be chosen by a eminent panel of jury chefs. And do you know what you're going to gain out of it? You'll be getting a full holiday plan of 7 days organized by the Kerala Tourism for you and your family. 10 main entries will be chosen out of all the participants. So friends, why wait for it? Enroll yourself, go to the website, register yourself and be a part of this great extravaganza which has been organized by the Kerala Tourism Department. Thank you. We look forward to your participation. Well, I'll be there as one of the jury members, and I look forward to the participation of you all in a big way. Thank you.